Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on GST and Commission Worksheet. So this video presents a worksheet on the two topics of GST and Commission. So if you're not sure what these topics involve, we've had a lesson on this very topic, and on the next slide there is a link, so if you click on the link it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all the examples. So let's see what's required for this worksheet. Answer each of the following questions. Number 1. A suit costs $600, not including GST. If the GST is 10%, calculate the GST and the final cost of the suit after the GST is added. Number 2. A television set costs $2,400, not including GST. If a GST of 10% is added to the above price, what is the value of the GST? What is the new cost of the television set? If a customer gets a discount of 6% from this new cost, what price does the customer pay? Number 3. A salesman receives 25% commission on all his sales each month. If he sold $18,000 worth of goods for the month, what is his commission? Number 4. A salesman sells $80,000 worth of cars for the month. If he gets 8% commission for the first $60,000 and 10% commission for the next $20,000, what is his total commission? And the last one, which is a little bit more involved. A washing machine has a marked price of $2,800. We need to add 10% GST to this price. After the GST is added, the store owner decides to give a 6% discount because the purchaser is paying cash. We have to answer 4 questions. A. What is the amount of the GST? B. What is the price after the GST is added? C. How much is the 4% discount? And D. What is the final purchase price? So this video has presented a very basic worksheet on the topics of GST and Commission, and if you need any help to understand those two terms, on the next slide just click on the link. It will take you to the lesson, it will explain the terms, and it will show you how to do all of these examples.